मिट्टी घर, अ होम अवे फ्रॉम होम, जहां मुझे रहते हुए 1-2 हफ्ते हो चुके हैं। If you're somebody जिसे हॉस्टल का पूरा टूर चाहिए, then look out for the next video of this series. And just like the previous 2 episodes of this series, in this video I will show you what all you can do around the location that I'm staying at. यहाँ पर जितने भी दिन गुजारे उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा सुकून तब मिलता है जब कभी मैं उस नाले के पास जाती हूँ। यहाँ के लोकल्स स्ट्रीम को नाला बोलते हैं। तो चलिए आज मैं आपको भी अपनी फेवरेट जगह ले चलती हूँ। It took us about 10 minutes from the place we parked our bike, and I'm here with Mohit, and I met him at Mitti Ghar. So we are at the Nala, the stream, whatever you want to call it. So it is super hot here at Matevra, so we decided to come here, as you already know, and now we're heading towards the area where we go for a dip. And essentially the place we are at is David's Cafe, which is shut at the moment because of zero tourism. So we're just headed there and I'm just gonna take a dip now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Third time coming to the stream, and every time I've come here the experience just gets better. The water is cold, the weather is warm, so the blend is just perfect. जितनी बार भी आई उतना ही अच्छा लगा है। पहली बार मैं आई जिगर भाई और अबू के साथ, फिर दूसरी बार आई came with my friend Divij, and now I've come with Mohit. He's also staying at the hostel. So this is one of the things that you can do when you come to Mitti Ghar. And the best part about Matevra village is that ज़्यादा लोग नहीं आते हैं, टूरिज़्म है ही नहीं, मतलब ज़्यादा है ही नहीं है, क्योंकि most of the people they go to Kasol, and this is one place which is like 8 kilometers before Kasol, so not a lot of people come here and it's pretty peaceful. जाने दो। And just like any day, our hike to the stream would end up with a lunch there before we head back to the hostel. Hello there. So today I'm on my way. It's 8:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to Jari Market. That's because first I have to get some groceries. Second, a friend of mine is coming today with whom I'm supposed to travel to Bear Billing. And he's also friends with Jigar Bhai. So Jigar Bhai doesn't know that he's coming here, so I've planned a surprise. So I'm on my way to pick him up from Jari Market, and he's about like 10 minutes away. So I'm trying to quickly reach and vlog at the same time. क्या लग रहा है जिगर भाई कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे?
जिगर भाई जी रिएक्ट कैसे करेंगे?
कैसे करेंगे?
एकदम मेरे स्टाइल में।
यो,
हाँ।
क्या है तुम्हारे साथ? क्या है तुम्हारा स्टाइल?
क्या
है तुम्हारा स्टाइल?
मेरा स्टाइल एकदम अलग है।
नायाब।
अरे एक सेकंड रुको, कैमरा मुझसे दूर मत ले जाओ।
हाय।
हेलो।
So
हाँ जी, आप
नहीं, this is Rishabh. Rishabh would want to introduce himself. Rishabh, quickly.
मेरा नाम है ऋषभ, AKA रंग गुलाबी.
Basically he raps.
Yeah, I raps, I write, I rap, I write, and I write poetry. Anything that I can do to express myself. So
yeah. So this is his Insta handle,
Rang
and you can
Gulabi.
follow him on Spotify. Spotify is that.
Don't follow me on Insta, but you can follow me on Spotify.
Listen to him on Spotify.
Yeah, listen to me
so,
on Spotify.
Now I'm going to tell you that we are headed to Kasol for a couple of reasons. First is to explore the market. जरी से काफ़ी पास है कसौल. It's like a hub जहाँ पे काफ़ी cafes हैं, बहुत सारी shops हैं. All the nice things, okay. Then second reason, Rishabh and I are planning to leave for Bir. So हमको कुछ inquiry है. So we're gonna go there and ask. Then Rishabh and I met almost 2 years ago at this place called Nomads, which is in Choj village. So we're also gonna go there and meet Rupa Didi. So we are planning to surprise her. You can take a bus ride from Jari Market to Kasol Bridge, which is just 20 minutes of ride, or you can also take a taxi, but that will cost you a little more. So we just got down at Kasol Bridge, and वहाँ से we are headed to this पराठे वाली shop, which is
तुषार कैफे.
Exactly, we are heading there. मैं वहाँ पे कभी नहीं गई हूँ. मुझे बोला गया जाना चाहिए, and मेरा
एक चीज़ पराठा बहुत अच्छा है.
वहाँ के एक चीज़ पराठा. हाँ. So ये भाई साहब जी already जा चुके हैं वहाँ पे काफ़ी बार. मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ. So I was like, why not just go and try. So और कुछ
नहीं, बट एक चीज़ पराठा ज़रूर ट्राई करना है वहाँ पे.
ओके.
और हरी चटनी साथ में उनकी, और अमूल बटर. अमूल बटर.
ओके. So we have reached तुषार कैफ़े, जो कि है द हैंग आउट, एक होटल है उसके पास ही है, और एवरग्रीन के जस्ट पीछे है. थोड़ी बाइक शॉप्स आएंगे उसके नेक्स्ट टू द बाइक शॉप इज़ तुषार कैफ़े. और हमने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाया था सुबह, बिकॉज वी वर वेटिंग कि हम लोग यहाँ आकर पराठे खाएंगे. तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है चीज़ पराठा. आपने क्या ऑर्डर किया?
गोभी पराठा.
गोभी पराठा
with अमूल बटर.
With Amul butter. So
हरी चटनी, green mint chutney
that they give.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the order now. So this is my first time here, and guys, this is very good. काफ़ी तेल है, but बहुत टेस्टी है ना. Like बहुत टेस्टी है. मैदा और आटे का पराठा है, और जो डो है, और इसमें चीज़ है. Great combination.
Yeah.
Rishabh.
Yeah.
Rishabh. What do you think about the gobi paratha?
बहुत सुंदर है.
अरे.
बहुत टेस्टी भी है. दोनों. एकदम घर जैसा लगता है ना.
Okay.
कैसा है?
After having these delicious parathas, हम चल पड़े थे कसौल मार्केट को एक्सप्लोर करने. Kasol Market is one place where you will find many cafes, shops with beautiful clothes and jewelries, and things to decorate for your homes. So guys, we are at Kasol Market, as you already know, and we are at Baba Soni's jewelry shop. हाँ जी मुकेश जी. तो ये है मुकेश जी.
हेलो. हेलो.
So ये है झुंझुनू से, but he's मतलब जयपुर में रहने लगे हैं. So anyway, so we are at Kasol and buying some jewelry. I'm gonna buy a top. Let's see. And Rishabh अपनी nose pin change कर रहा है. So that's what we're here for.
ये वो वाला नहीं है भाई, ये शायद ये घुमाने वाला है.
So yes, you can come here, buy some jewelry. They have nice collection. इनका सारा collection आता है राजस्थान से. And राजस्थान की jewelry बहुत amazing है. So you can always come and buy things from here. So now we're going to Sky Speed Travels and going to ask about Bir का scene क्या है. How do we get how do we reach Bir? To cover the distance from Kasol to Bir, there are basically two ways to leave. The first option is to take a taxi directly to Bir, which will cost you approximately 4.k. Or you could take the second option, which is to catch an early 7:30 bus from Kasol to Bhuntar, then change the bus from there to Mandi, and from Mandi you hop in the bus that goes to Bir finally. We have to change the bus 3 times, and taxi is quite expensive for 2 people. So I think we're gonna leave as early as possible from here, 7 o'clock. अगर उससे जल्दी भी हो पाया तो we'll try to leave there. Anyway, now we're going to Choj and meet Rupa Didi there.
Yeah, no man's hostel.
No man's hostel. Walking to the place where Rishabh and I met over 2 years ago was nostalgic. We met many people there and most importantly managed to surprise our very favorite human of Nomad's Hostel, which is our beloved Rupa Didi. In the next episode, I will show you the hostel I stayed at in Matevda village and my experience at Bir Billing. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and share this video with whoever needs to see it. Lila?